Oh, Jenny, what are you doing dyan?
Brother, you know naman how it is here in the Philippines. We Filipino girls, we like to be light-skinned. Whereas in the States, gusto nila, beach tan sila. So it's different, okay?
Tama na nga yung pagka-apply mo. Mukha kang ghost white.
Shut up! Hello! I'm going to work. Looks like I've seen a ghost. Sige, mag-usap tayo mamaya. Oo nga, nabalitaan ko nga, si ma'am daw, niloko si sir.
Talaga?
Eh yung kabila naman daw, iniwan ng asawa.
Sino? Yung babae o lalaki?
Ay, I don't know. Tama na ang chismisan niyo. Puring, get back to work. Yes, ma'am. Driver, I need you to drive me somewhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, well, well. Nice to meet you. We've already met. Right. I guess I wanted to forget. Anong ginagawa mo sa kumpanya ko? Kumpanya mo to? Eh, naghahanap ng trabaho. Pakialam mo. Ha! If the shoe fits, looks like it can hardly breathe. Oo nga, hindi nga kasya mga paa ko sa sapatos na ito. Which is more than what I can say about yours. You have some loose ends to take care of. Not only that, kung alam mo lang, nakalabas ang hinliliit mo. Hayop ka. Hindi pa tapos ang lahat. Makikita mo.